Very good morning, dear students of Standard 4th. Today I have already given you the lesson explanation lesson of lesson number 32 from your English textbook. So today I will provide you the question answer of the same lesson. Here is the lesson number 32, the noble monkey. You have to write the meanings that is given in the video. See, let me tell you. First one is glad. What is the meaning of glad? An open space or clearing in a forest. ओके जो ओपन स्पेस रहता है, जो क्लियर फॉरेस्ट को साफ़ किया जाता है, तो उस जगह को ग्लैड कहते हैं. डेलीशियस मीन्स इट्स वेरी टेस्टी. बहुत ही टेस्ट स्वीट्स जो होता है उसे ग्लैड कहते हैं, डेलीशियस कहते हैं. करंट, द मूवमेंट ऑफ वाटर इन द सी और रिवर. करंट, द मूवमेंट, द वाटर के ऊपर जो मूवमेंट होती है. सी के ऊपर आपने देखा है कभी सी में बीचेस में गए हो तो से पानी का पूरा मूवमेंट होते रहता है, ठीक है, तो वो मूवमेंट को करंट कहते हैं. हैवीली, वंडरफुल. डिवाइन, इट मीन्स वंडरफुल और एक्सीलेंट. डिवाइन इज अनदर वर्ड ऑफ एक्सीलेंट. राफ्ट, a flat structure made up of piece of wood tied together, used as a boat. By and by, after a little time. Laden with fruit, having great qualities of fruit on it. Mercilessly, without any mercy or pity. Volley of arrow, many arrows sent or shot at the same time. Vanishing, disappearing. For good, forever. Urged, advised strongly. Bruised, injured with mark the body. Hordes, large number. What is the meaning of hordes? Hordes is a very large number. जैसे बहुत सारी चीज़ एक साथ मिला के, यानी 15-20 लोग एक साथ अगर मिल जाते, ग्रुप हो जाता है, तो दैट इज़ कॉल्ड अ हॉर्स. Waver, to become weak and unsteady. Swan, faint, यानी गिर जाना, बेहोश होके गिर जाना. Revive, bring back to life. And you have to write this in your notebook, okay? And when I will tell you to submit this note, you have to come at school with your parents with the completing notebook. Clear, students? So what is the first question? Where did monkeys live with their king? मंकीज़ लोग अपने किंग के साथ कहाँ रहते थे? ये आंसर ऑलरेडी मैंने कल आप लोगों को बताया था जब मैं एक्सप्लेन कर रही थी. द मंकीज़ लिव विद देयर किंग इन द फॉरेस्ट ऑन द बैंक ऑफ रिवर गंगा. हाउ डिड द मंकी लव द मैंगो ट्री? वाई डिड द मंकी लव द मैंगो ट्री? द मंकी लव द मैंगो ट्री फॉर इट्स स्प्रेडिंग ब्रांचेस, cool shades and delicious fruit. What did the monkey king want the other to do? The monkey king warned the other not to allow even a single, see you can see single mango to fall in the river. Monkey king ये चाहता था कि एक भी मैंगो वो रिवर के अंदर ना गिरे. अगर गिर जाता है तो क्या होगा? जो ह्यूमन बींग्स है वो ये पेड़ को, ये ट्री को ढूंढते ढूंढते उस जगह में आके उस जगह का पीस जो है, शांति जो है, पूरा भंग कर देगा. हाउ डिड द किंग ऑफ बनारस कम टू नो ऑफ अ फ्रूट? वन डे अ राइप मैंगो फेल इनटू द रिवर. इट वॉज कैरिड विद द फ्लो टू बनारस. इट वॉज फाउंड बाय अ फिशरमैन who had never seen anything like it before. He presented it to the king. Thus the king of Banaras came to know of a fruit. Now this is the next question. See, you can see it. Why did the king's men decided to drive away the monkey? The king's men noticed the monkey enjoying the wonderful fruit that they had come in search of, and they were annoyed. Hence they decided to drive them away. Find the words that are used to describe the following: mango, mango tree, tall, shady, spreading branches, cool shade laden with fruit. Mangoes, big, juicy, sweet, delicious, tasty, heavenly, ripe, divine. द मंकी किंग, बिगर, स्ट्रॉन्गर, वाइजर. ठीक है, ये सारे डिस्क्रिप्शन वर्ड है जो पर्टिकुलर वर्ड को डिस्क्राइब किया जा रहा है. जैसे मैंगो ट्री को कैसे डिस्क्राइब किया है. मैंगो ट्री कैसा था. इट वॉज टॉल. बराबर. इट वॉज शेडी, बहुत ही बड़ा था और शेडी था. स्प्रेडिंग ब्रांचेस, तो इस तरीके से हमको लेसन में से ही डिस्क्राइब वर्ड उठाना है. नाउ कम टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. दिस यू हैव टू राइट इट डाउन इन योर बुक. कलेक्टिव नाउन्स, जैसे कि झुंड बताया गया है तो उस हिसाब से हमको लिखना है. द डैश ऑफ कैटल, द हेड्स ऑफ कैटल. अ डैश ऑफ जजेस, अ बेंच ऑफ जजेस. अ डैश ऑफ लायन, अ प्राइड ऑफ लायन. अ डैश ऑफ फ्लावर, अ बुके ऑफ फ्लावर. अ डैश ऑफ शिप, a flock of sheep. A dash of puppies, a litter of puppies. Now this is complete the table with the correct form of adjective. Okay, you have to write positive, comparative and superlative. There are 3 stages in the adjective. First is positive. Positive में क्या आता है. Juicy. Comparative में juicier. You have to join er. Next superlative में est. You have to remember this. Okay. Cool, cooler, coolest. Shady, shadier, shadiest. Sweeter, sweet, sweeter, sweetest. Delicious, more delicious, most delicious. Divine, more divine, most divine. Got it, students? Now come to next question. Next question is what? How did the monkey how did the monkey king save the other monkey? कि monkey king ने दूसरे monkey का जान कैसे बचाया? So the answer is the monkey king swam to the opposite side of the river and caught hold of a tall can with his leg. He then swung back to the side where the other monkey waited and took firm hold of the branches of the tree. This way he made a bridge across the river with his own body. Using these bridges, all the other monkeys rushed over the other side to safety. Next question. What did the king of Banaras ask his men to do? King of Banaras ने क्या कहा? The king of Banaras asked his men to stop shooting arrow. What happened to the monkey king in the end? Which word tell you this? In the end, the monkey king died. The word closed his eyes forever tell us this. Who said the following word and to whom? Move quickly. The monkey king said this to the other monkey. Why did you sacrifice your life in this way? Who said this? Why did you sacrifice your life in this way? The king of Benares said this to the monkey king. I am glad I could do my duty. So the answer is the monkey king said this to the king of Benares. Now complete the following sentence using the correct word from the bracket. You have to choose the correct word. Okay. In exam also there will be MCQ question, and with the help of that MCQ option you have to write the correct answer. So first one, he kept a tight hold over the can means he held the can tightly. ठीक है, उसने कैन को कैसा पकड़ा था. शुगर कैन को कैसे पकड़ा था? बहुत ज़ोर से पकड़ा था. तो टाइटली आपको लिखना है. He took firm hold of branches mean he held the branches firmly. The river was too wide for the other to follow mean the river was so wide that the other were unable to follow. The king of Benares never forget the great sacrifice means the king of Benares always remembered the great sacrifice. Got it, student? So hope so you will write each and every answer that has given in the video. and in my next session I will forward you one more lesson with a explanation and with a good story. Okay, so till then you complete your work. You have to move. You have to write these notes in your notebook and you have to submit it when teacher say you. Okay, I will provide you each and every information in a WhatsApp group so that you can understand it and you can send your notes with the help of your parents. Clear, students? So till then, have a great day. Stay safe.